Hey guys, it's Meryl. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some keto mozzarella sticks. I'm going to using fresh mozzarella. This is from xoxo, and it is so good. I got it from Sam's Club, so it came with two. I've obviously already eaten the other half, but it's already pre-sliced, so that makes it super easy to make these mozzarella sticks today, or even put them, you know, you can make like a caprese salad, whatever you decide to do with it. But it's really good mozzarella, so I highly recommend getting this brand. I also like Galvani. They have really good cheeses as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of show you. We'll go through and make it together. So super easy and delicious, and a much more healthy alternative to regular mozzarella sticks, of course. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on that. So if you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below so you can see all of my videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back. All right, let's just go ahead and dive right in. Put the breaded mozzarella slices in the freezer for about 25 minutes, and I've already got my avocado oil preheating. It's at about 6 or 7 to like medium high heat. You want the oil, whatever type you decide to use, you want it to be already preheated and at a pretty high temperature, so that way the cheese doesn't melt while the breading is still browning on the outside. So that's definitely a trial, that was definitely a trial and error thing for me, but I found out if you watch it and you just flip it, you know, maybe every minute or two, just to let the outside brown up, the cheese will not melt and you won't burn it either. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Serve these with a low-carb marinara. Let me go grab the kind I'm gonna use. I'll show you guys. Okay, so this one comes in at 5 net carbs, excuse me. I was at Target, I needed something real quick, so this was the lowest carb one I could find. It's actually pretty good. So, yeah. Can't wait for that. So, they do get a little oily, obviously, because it is cheese and oil mixing together. And the ones towards the end, unless you change out your oil, you will also see, you know, they kind of brown a little bit on top. But that's nothing to worry about. It's just what they do. So, can't wait. Let's see if we can. This one's kind of already opening up. Oh, look at that cheesy goodness. Oh my gosh, it's really hot, but. There you go.